Accessing the Microsoft Azure portal is a simple process. Here's how you can do it. Go to the Azure portal website. Open your web browser and navigate to the Azure portal. Sign in. Once on the portal's homepage, you'll be prompted to sign in. Enter your Microsoft account credentials. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one by following the sign-up process. If you are part of an organization using Azure, use your work or school account provided by the organization. Dashboard overview. After logging in, you will land on the Azure portal dashboard. This customizable dashboard provides quick access to your Azure resources, including virtual machines, databases, web apps, and storage accounts. Navigating the portal. You can explore Azure services by clicking Create a Resource, which lets you create new virtual machines, storage, or databases. The search bar at the top can help you quickly find specific services. Use the left-hand sidebar for billing, subscriptions, and resource groups management. Manage resources. From the portal, you can monitor usage, track costs, and configure resources easily.